with you a differentiation of differentiation of tan inverse. Okay, I repeat again, tan inverse differentiation, and it is added in June 2020. Before it was not there. And what is method? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. D over dx over tan inverse of x. And basic criteria, what we have, 1 over 1 plus x squared. This is a formula. I repeat my words. Okay, okay, I think this is one formula, and this whatever angle we have, 1 plus x squared come like this. And we have another formula which is a little different. Tan inverse like a x over a. Okay, x, for example, x over a. And so for example, you have a let's say I have a question in bracket 2x to power 2 plus 1. How we can do this kind of differentiation? So let me tell you, here always 1 come, here this always 1, this always plus. No, this is no change. And here angles square. And what is angle? This. And I'm writing here 2x to power 2 plus 1, and power 2 comes on the top. But one is missing. What is that missing? In the numerator, I will differentiate the angle part. I will repeat again. In the numerator, I will write angle differentiation part. And I think you understood the way very well. And I will give you some more examples. This is a 2 to the 4x, and plus 1 becomes 0. So I got a 4x, and this is you expand. We don't expand. It depends upon the condition what we use. So I hope so. 2 examples you understood, and now I'm giving one more example. So if I differentiate, for example, tan inverse, and here given 4x and this one. So what is the technique to do it? I repeat, 1 plus angle square is a rule. 1 plus angle square. Which term you squared, you will take differentiation in the numerator. So derivative of 4x. Okay, what is the derivative of 4x? All of you know it becomes 4. And 1 plus square of 4 is 16. And x square, and this is my answer. And I believe you got a point clear. And I'm giving you 2 questions to practice. Y is equals to tan inverse 3x to power 2. This one question you will try. And second question you try is tan inverse 6x to power cube plus 10. So do one thing, and no need to expand. Just simply just give answer. Okay, so take your time. I'm giving some time to try this one, and I'm going to pause the recording. Yes, student, you took a reasonable time. Starting now, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What is the way of doing? Dy over dx, this whole thing, 1 plus angle square. Angle is this, will come in bracket. And you understand very well, 3x to power 2 comes here. In the numerator, derivative of the angle, 2 goes down, 6, and power 1 less. And you can write, simplify slightly more. Square of 3 is 9, and 2 to the 4. You can stop it here. How we can do this kind of question? So dy over dx. And the whole function, it goes in denominator without, sorry, the logarithm. 1 plus angle square is the formula. Angle is this, will come in this bracket. And this kind of question, if he emphasized to expand, simplify, okay. Otherwise, you can leave it here. And what is angle derivative will come in the numerator. 6 3s are 18, and x power 1 less become 2, and 10 becomes 0. You can stop it here, and this is our final answer. And now I'm giving a little bit complicated, okay, a little bit complicated question in which we have product formula. So get ready. I'm giving 2 questions. X times 2 tan inverse of 2x. And one more question I'm giving, y equal to e to power 2x times 2 tan inverse 4x. So product formula we have to apply. I'm giving some time. So please try, and I'm going to pause the recording. Take your time, please. So yes, student, you took a reasonable time. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What is method to do this question? UV. So you copy this is u and v, and now you know it very well. You copy v derivative plus v copy and u derivative. So this copy and this derivative is coming here. How to do tan inverse of 2x? 1 plus angle square. Angle is 2x. If I square it, I get 2x here. And in the numerator, differentiation 2x becomes 2. And now this copy, x derivatives come in the bracket is a 1. And now this 2x multiply, I can write 2x over 1 plus 4x to power 2. And that's it. And this is my answer. Why? I cannot do any further simplification. That's it. What about this question? Same story. I will apply product formula. And what is technique? First function copy into tan inverse derivative, now opposite, plus sign tan inverse this copy into the other function's derivative. Wait a minute, this is a space issue, so I drag back. So what is this derivative? 1 plus angle square will come in denominator, and this derivative come in the numerator, and this is done. And now what is this derivative, students? So first you copy as it is into 2 come from where? Angles derivative, sorry, power derivative. Now how to do this one? Just write together, that's it. And yeah, I can do one more working. Hold on. Square of 4, square of x. I get 16x to power 2. Here I can write 2 e to power 2x times to tan inverse 4x in the bracket. You can take common out. I think so you can stop it here, full marks. But if you take common out, no problem at all. If you don't take common out, I said no problem at all. Okay. So this is my answer. I believe the point is very, very clear. And I think the concept, let me find out some more practice. Hold on. Yes, student, these 2 more questions we have to practice. Then inshallah, we will stop this. I think then this is enough practice for the tan inverse concepts. So first of all, how do he said show this derivative? So algebra. So first of all, what is the basic way? The multiplying coefficient and dividing coefficient we never touch, leave as it is. And what is the basic criteria? 1 plus angle square. So this will go here. And angle's derivative comes here. And x by a half, so actually it's become 1 over 2. Like a 2x becomes 2, 3x becomes 3, half x become half. I think, okay. Now, how to do simplify? Only algebra is the main thing. So actually, let me tell you how do deal have. It is in a numerator. For example, 5. Look, I show you a by b, main line c. So this a by b will only slip. So same story here. So 4 will stay there. 1 will come here and 2 will go down like this. And what about this? So take LCM. So it is coming LCM in the bracket. LCM is 2. Oh, no, not 2, sorry. First of all, I'm writing it 1 plus x square over 4. Now this 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This cancel out. So we got it here 2. And what is LCM here? LCM is 4. And 4 multiplied with the 1, we got a 4 plus x square. And whenever we get a fraction in denominator, look, top fraction slip, but down fractions flip. This d will go up, so d by c. So this 4 will go up. If 4 will go up, what will happen, students? So 4 will multiply with a 2. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, proved. So this is done. So let's go for second question. He said find second derivative, not 1 times, 2 times. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rule 1 plus angle square. Angle is 2x coming here. Into derivative of the angle, which is 2. So simplify further. 1 plus 4x to power 2. Do you think the question is over? Not at all. I have to go second derivative. Can I differentiate directly? No, I can have 2 choices. Bring it up and differentiate, or directly apply quotient rule. So quotient rule, what is criteria? If you remember, square of the denominator is down. Okay, which is squared, I will copy as it is. And 2 derivative is coming here, which is 0. And now 2 copy and this derivative. And this derivative 1 has a 0. 4x become 8x. 4x to power become 8x. This is gone. So I got a to the 16x, so negative 16x over 1 plus 4x to power 2 and whole square. So this is second differentiation. So I hope so the point is very, very